My name is Sam. This is my wife, Jennifer, and we are the Dancers. I went and played football in college at Western Illinois. She went and played soccer at Mizzou. No CrossFit was really in the picture yet, and tried it. I was like, oh, all right, I can do this.
We decided to move to San Diego and to go team with Invictus. Invictus is a gym that is known for competitive athletes going there and getting sent to the games. Part of their routine is getting their blood checked. And so that kind of is where we started our journey with InsideTracker. So they'll go through your blood work and see where you need to be better. And so not only did it help us as an athlete to get second at the games, but it helped our marriage for us to be balanced and to like each other again. Getting our blood tests has been a huge game changer.
It's like we recommend it
to anybody.